Hey guys, it's Amber, and I thought I'd do a little fun, not necessarily unboxing, but just show a little mail haul. I had a really good mail day over the last 2 days, and I finally got a chance to go through and open everything. So I've got stuff from Ali Edwards, Studio Calico, scrapbook.com, and a cherry on top. Those are kind of mixed together. So I got 2 more distress oxides to add to my collection. I've got pumice stone and crackling campfire. I really don't have either of these, so I'm trying to not get every single color, but like I don't have an orange and I don't have a light gray, so adding those. Ali Edwards just had her 50% off stamp sale, so I got the handwritten lowercase 6x8 letters and the quotes. I thought about getting the outlines, and then I realized I'd rather have a filled in color. I could always use a pen to make my own outline if I really wanted. This will ship separately from my Studio Calico kit, but I got some Gryffindor masking tape that's really cute, and then I go nuts for these stars. So I have 2 packs of the Harry Potter themed ones, and then 2 packs of the Disney themed ones. I can't exactly remember their names, but I always get 2 of those if I have an option. If you saw me working on my most recent Week in the Life for my December daily albums, I go through these stars because I'll add them to everything. So love to collect those. Let me go through the like fun stuff here, and then I'll show you all the page protectors that I got that just came out. So the scrapbook.com had a free Fa La La die, so I got that. I really like these P13. They call them chipboard. It's more like a wood veneer embellishment. It's just pumpkins and leaves. I thought those would be really cute for fall, and theirs are really nice and thin. I also got some Tim Holtz Lost and Found Halloween tape for my October daily album. One of them had that. I think that was on a cherry on top because I'm pretty sure it's sold out on scrapbook.com. I got some Georgia stickers for my trip for my vacation that I took to Savannah around July 4th. I've got the new crepe paper mittens and mistletoe collection. I'm trying not to go too crazy with the Christmas stuff because I know I'll be buying or looking at Ali Edwards, Kelly Perky's Paper Person, and Felicity Jane. So, I always like the little puffy stickers. They're cute. Photoplay has a new Christmas cats collection. It's stinking adorable. I had to buy it because there's a tuxedo cat wearing a hat, or they're in like a little car, or this little calico's in a stocking. It's just darling. So I bought what I could. So this one is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. You guys, look at this pattern paper. Look at the little tuxedo cats. They're everywhere. Some are wearing hats, some are wearing sweaters. I die. They're so cute. This is the back. I bought these mainly to use in my scrapbook albums of my cats, obviously. Here is some ones you can cut apart. Maui Christmas and Happy Per Year. So cute. Treats for Santa Paws. They're just so cute. I had to get them. And these are cat die cuts, which I thought would come pre-cut. They are not, so I have to cut these out myself. But these are just cat lovers, which had, you know, the tuxedos and the calicos and just some cute die cuts. But this one had more of the Christmassy ones, so they were inexpensive. I had to get them. I got 2 of the Fa La La Vicky Bouton Evergreen and Holly vellum with gold embossing because obviously it's adorable. And this is the other paper I got from that line. It is like a red textured background with textured stars, and some of them have music notes, which I didn't realize. It's just super cute, and it's got black and white branches on the back, but I pretty much bought it for this. I probably need another sheet if I place another order going forward soon. I got this Orlando, Florida paper from Scrapbook Customs. If I do a 6x8 album, I thought that this would be a really cute album opener, and I can put like a little geotag on where we stayed. And this Echo Park paper, I really had to get this spooky pattern paper, mainly for this side. But for the ones that I don't really love, I will use this part of the pattern paper as well. It's a nice, cute, scripty. More of the mittens and mistletoe from crepe paper. This is like evergreens and pine cones, and the presents are cute, but I mostly bought it for this. I like their slightly florally busy pattern. This is from Photo Play. It's called Ocean View. I really loved all of these, and I thought they were super cute. I love this. This is lyrics to a Luke Bryan song, The Sunrise, Sunburn, Sunset, Repeat. Just really loved the like artistic nature of these. The back is some cool palm trees. And then if you also watched my Week in the Life project, these were sold. This one was still available on scrapbook.com, but I got these from A Cherry on Top. I bought one more of these because I've always wanted to make a 12 by 12 project with this, but I cut it up into one 4 by 12 and two 4 by 4 or 3 by 4, whatever I did. And then this pattern paper I also used. It's from her Sweet Brush collection. Every once in a while I find a pattern paper that just like literally works for everything. And this one has great colors in it. It perfectly matched the Week in Life from Ali Edwards this year. But I bought multiple sheets because one, you can't really find it anymore. It's from an older collection, and I will use this all the time in travel albums because it really just goes with everything. And then let me show you my page protectors. So scrapbook.com came out with some all kinds of new ones that fold. So this one is 2 4x6s with 2 3x4s that open. I usually fold and make my own, so it's really nice that they're starting to create them because they'll have better flips. This one is all 3x4s. Yeah, so this is, and I make this kind all the time, but I'm really excited about that because these are great for 10 by 12, sorry, 8 by 10 albums or 6 by 8 albums. So, because I will just punch my own holes, no problem there. These are kind of cool. I found these on A Cherry on Top. I'm pretty sure they're older ones from How You Swap. But what these are is an 8.5 by 11 with a 4 by 11 that folds out, and then 2 8.5 by 11s that fold, like you open it, like a, you know. So that'll be cool. And I'm going to try to maybe play with those in my 9 by 12 travel album that I hope to eventually get back to. These are officially listed as a 9 by 12. They have 4 vertical 4x6s, which is one of my favorite page protectors to use in that kind of album for when I have vertical shots. And it has 3 4x6s that are horizontal that fold over. And finally, this one's kind of similar. It has 3 4x6s, 3 3x4s, and 3 more 3x4s that fold out. Just a really fun way to add in more photos without having to cut up all of my 12 by 12 page protectors. So I just thought that that was super fun, and I'm really excited to get playing. I love taking my Distress Oxides and getting my ink stamped out. I use a heart stamp from Ali Edwards. You can see I don't have much orange from Tim. So just to give you an idea of what my stamped inks look like, and my stamp samples as well for certain themes, which I need to update. But anyway, just wanted to give you a quick look. I thought it'd be fun, and I'm feeling so inspired to work on some other projects now that my Week in the Life is finally done. I'm going to be working on my May monthly project life, maybe June and July, we'll see. But I got to get caught up, which is never an issue with using my Ali Edwards Story by the Month kits. And I also want to get back to my Cruise 9 by 12 travel album. And I'm dying to get into it, my Georgia album. And I have my Florida trip that I just took with the kids like a week or so as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with some more project videos. Thanks again. Bye.